Hi everyone, how are you today? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we have to solve this equation. It is a mathematical Olympiad questions. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to solve it for you. First, we have 13, and we're gonna take x outside of the cube root into the cube root. So we will get cube root of x cubed 1 over x, and then minus 2 cube root of x cube times with x, okay, and then equal to 20. 13 cube root of, so we're gonna simplify this and we will get x squared, okay, minus 2 cube root of x to the power 4 equal to 20. Now we are going to let t equal to cube root of x squared. Then we will get 13t minus 2t squared, and then minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, and then we got minus 2t squared plus 13t minus 20 equal to 0. We are going to solve this equation in terms of t. So this is a quadratic equation, so we can use the formula, which is t equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and divide by 2a. So now you have to know that the values of a is negative 2, b is 13, and then c is equal to negative 20. Let's substitute into t. Here we will get minus 13 plus or minus square root of 13 square, and minus 4 times with minus 2, and then times with minus 20, okay, then divide by 2 times minus 2. Then we will get minus 13 plus or minus 13 square, which is equal to 169, minus, so we will get 160 divided by minus 4, minus 13 plus or minus square root of 9 over minus 4, okay, then minus 13 plus or minus square root of 9 equal to 3 over negative 4, okay. So in this case we will get t equal to negative 13 plus 3 divided by minus 4, t equal to negative 13 minus 3 divided by 4 divided by minus 4, and then equivalent to t equal to 10 over 4, okay, and then we will get 5 over 2, and then t here, which is equal to 4. Okay, so case 1, when t is equal to 5 over 2, then we will get cube root of x squared equal to 5 over 2 equal to 5 over 2. So let cube both sides of the equation. We will get raised to cube equal to 5 cube over 2 cube, and then x squared equal to 5 square times with 5 over 2 square times with 2, and then we will get x equal to plus or minus square root of 5 over 2 raised to square, and times with 5 over 2, okay, and then x equal to plus or minus 5 over 2 square root of 5 over 2, Okay, and case 2 when t is equal to 4. T equal to 4, then cube root of x squared equal to 4. Let cube both sides of the equation. We will get x squared equal to 4 cube. And then x equal to plus or minus square root of 4 cube. Then x equal to plus or minus 8. Okay. So now I have solved this equation, and finally we got the answer x equal to plus or minus 8, and here we got plus or minus 5 divided by 2 square root of 5 divided by 2. So I have solved this problem and I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.